Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making yourself recognizable. Customize your avatar and bio so others know who you are. Then, join 2 to 3 community games or groups that fit what you like. This puts you where friends appear. Next, send targeted friend requests. Pick 1 or 2 players per session and include a short message about why you enjoyed playing with them. Once done, monitor responses and stay active in those same games to keep momentum and make new connections naturally. Once you've connected, shift to building rapport by being an engaged teammate. Use chat to offer help and ask a quick, friendly question to open dialogue. Make cooperative moves, share resources, invite others to parties, and suggest small goals to achieve together. This shows reliability. Also join group events and collaborate on creative maps or challenges. Consistent presence in scheduled sessions turns casual players into regulars. Remember to mix short, friendly comments with helpful actions so people see you as someone they want to keep playing with. You close friendships by creating patterns, suggest 1 regular weekly session, follow up with private messages, and plan simple events together so people have a reason to return. Make sure to be consistent, show up on time, be reliable, and keep conversations positive so friends stick around. If things stall, don't panic. Check your privacy and friend request settings, confirm you are visible online, and send 1 polite follow-up message. If problems persist, adjust where you play or try new community groups to meet different players.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.